Hey guys, I'm Dom here, and I'm wearing my birthday shirt. See? Good. Yeah, anyways. It's nighttime, and I went to Toys R Us. I was gonna decide to go to, Toys R Us or the exchange store. And, for SH. Can't say it, so I'm heroes. Yeah, it's like hero. Yeah, it's like heroes. Yeah, the main characters are here for the video. Yeah, me and Sonic are the main two characters. Yeah, me and Sonic are the main two characters that like to do unboxing. I get annoyed at this crap. But Toys R Us unboxing. Chaos. Chaos. Control. There you go. Pika. I feel some kind of weird energy. Pikachu. He said he feels some weird kind of energy. Froggy Frog. He says I'll translate it because I'm one of the animals. He says it feels like Lucario. Well, I don't really come here for unboxing because I usually go to sleep or eat some food. Yeah, I'm usually here most of the time. Yeah, I'm always here. I love these unboxing videos. Yeah, so today Enemy Dawn went to YouTube. Wait, Toys R Us. And bought some stuff. Yeah, Frog. Pikachu. It feels like max energy. Yeah, I said max. Yeah, Yoshi is being here for the first time. Silver, could you help me with the unboxing? You not forget it. You not forget it. You not forget it. No. Okay. Chaos. Control. Silver powers. You are not gonna believe this when you see it. Yeah. I'll sit right here. Okay, look. Hey guys, Fox McCloud here. From Star Fox. See? Star Fox. Here's my old picture. I'm official, guys. Fox McCloud, guys. It's Fox McCloud. So, I'll teach you guys how to do barrel. I need someone to do barrel. Who's gonna, I need some.
I'm not even sitting here coming. And I had to get you around and do something to that room. And you ain't gonna have nobody on your team.
You picked from Angry Birds. What is it?
I'm not, because you ain't even.
Oh, let me show these guys to do a barrel. Okay, slap. Wait, doesn't Bowser know how to do that? Yeah, Bowser can teach us how to do that. Bowser.
At all. Because nobody's supporting that. So, you sit up here and say, oh, I'm not saying
What? Teach these guys how to do a barrel. Oh yeah, I do that, Scott. Good Koopa, can I use you real quick? Okay, Master. I'll snap your head. Do it. There you go. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and subscribe. Oh yeah, and hate. A little bit. Shut up. Okay, anyways. There's a Pokemon. Pig is out of here. No pig, you better stay beside me. Okay, anyways. Pikachu and Froakie. Come here. Pika, Pika. Frog. Mewtwo, you're blocking the screen. Mewtwo. Froggy. Mewtwo. Froggy. Mewtwo. He says, welcome. I'm Mewtwo, the biggest master Pokemon in there. I can beat anybody because I have the ultimate power in Pokemon tournament. Yep, that's what he said pretty much. Mewtwo. My name's Enda. And he said, hope you guys love this video and subscribe and comment below. And they got him from Toys R Us. Mewtwo. He said, love Enemy Dom's videos or Angie's video. And comment below, subscribe. Here's Toys R Us. Mewtwo. He said, here's Toys R Us back. Bigger. Mewtwo. Frog. You said they're patting each other's back. Mewtwo. Pika. They said thank you for what? Mewtwo. He said he's gonna get comfortable. Mewtwo. What's up, Mewtwo? Mewtwo. He said, hi, guy. He said, what's up, Silver? Yeah, what? Mewtwo. He said, here's the tag, guys. Mewtwo. He said, hope you guys love, comment below, subscribe, and bye-bye. Mewtwo. He's gonna show you the rest of his body. Mewtwo. Oh, hey, what's up, YouTube? Tail, let's do our tail dance. Yeah, that's our tail dance because we had saved it. Mewtwo. He said, you guys like that detour of him. Okay, now it's detour me. Yeah. Oh yeah, just to let you know, I bought these from Toys R Us. Okay? They're available at Toys R Us now. Yeah, we're online now. Good? See me? Yeah. Cool Fox. But I hope you guys love, comment below, subscribe to our video. Pick a pig. He said mostly comment. Froggy. And he said love Pokemon cards. Well, bye bye guys. Mewtwo. He said I'm gonna end the video off. Yeah, Mewtwo, end the video off. Mewtwo. Bye. Mewtwo. He said bye guys. Mewtwo. He said love this video and subscribe and comment below. Mew. He said bye. He said bye guys. Bye. Yeah. He said subscribe.